When it comes time to in-paint on a painting restoration, we need to apply a barrier layer of varnish. I like to call this the invisible layer. Kind of mysterious in a sense, isn't it? But really, in fact, it isn't, because you see, I know it's there, and if you were up close, you would know it's there too. Because the barrier layer of varnish is basically a thinned down finishing varnish. And what it does is it saturates the paint tones so that we can see the true essence of the color. So when we're in painting, we can properly color match. But it also acts in another way. You see, you don't want to in-paint directly on a painting, because that could potentially alter the painting, and we don't want to do that. So we want to always restore a painting back to as close as it may have looked when the artist first painted it, but we don't want to change the mechanics of the original work. So when we in-paint on the painting, we want to paint on top of a barrier layer. So we're painting on top of a clear layer that sits on the paint layer. This way, there is no direct contact of paint to the original painting. And then once we're done, then we apply the finishing varnish on top of that, so the in-painting sits like a sandwich between two layers of varnish.